Introducing the new SSE Emergency Alert Pendant from Uniden. It's simple to use and allows quick access to assistance in an emergency situation from the people of your choice. There are no installation fees, no ongoing monthly fees, and no monitoring fees. The Emergency Alert Pendant provides safety and peace of mind while maintaining full independent living. It's lightweight, portable, and even splashproof, so it can be worn on the wrist or around the neck at any time. Wear it in the house, in the garden, in the garage. Wherever you are, you can always rest assured and remain connected in the case of an emergency. If a call for assistance is needed, the pendant is very easy to use. Simply push the help button and it will start calling chosen contacts and advising them that assistance is required. This one-touch help button and portability makes the Emergency Alert Pendant ideal for the elderly, for people with visual or hearing impairment, and for anyone with mobility difficulties. If the one-touch help button is pressed, the Emergency Alert Pendant will first call the internal home phone system intercom, so that someone in the house is notified that help is required. If unanswered, the Emergency Alert Pendant then calls up to 5 different mobile or fixed line phone numbers of your choice. It calls one number at a time, and if unanswered, the pendant will then call the next pre-programmed number. Once a call is accepted and answered, a two-way conversation can take place through the built-in speakerphone on the pendant. The Emergency Alert Pendant is so lightweight and portable that you can easily carry it all the time without it being a hindrance to everyday activities. Or, if preferred, multiple pendants can be added to a single system, so that separate pendants are kept in the bathroom, bedroom, living room, and anywhere else one might be required. The Emergency Alert Pendant integrates with Uniden's SSE range of phones. This means its ease of use and convenience can be used with either a cordless or a traditional corded phone. The SSE range has a number of advanced features to complement the pendant, including large, easy-to-see buttons and display screens, extra loud audio assistance controls, and hearing aid compatibility. The SSE phone system also includes an integrated digital answering machine with slow playback function that slows down the voice when listening to messages, and a remote access feature that enables messages to be checked while away from home. The quality and advanced digital technology of Uniden phones ensure excellent clarity, reliability and range. Just a few reasons why Uniden has been the #1 selling range of cordless phones in Australia and New Zealand for over 10 years. The Emergency Alert Pendant from Uniden is the ideal safety device for the elderly or anyone who is vulnerable, living alone, and needs quick access to assistance in an emergency situation. It's easy to use, provides peace of mind, and is lightweight and compact, allowing the full enjoyment of independent living. The Emergency Alert Pendant is available from leading electrical retailers. Or, if you'd like further information, call Uniden in Australia on 1300 366 895 and in New Zealand on 09 273 8383.